Hello guys, Ryan here. I got back from a train show that was in Toledo, Ohio. So, show what I got first of all is a sticker face Earl Thomas. Yep, I already have about 3 of these already, but I was seeing at the train show and it was about $3. Well, it cost $3 from the person. Well, it was like the only Thomas thing there along with the lunchbox, so yep, I couldn't pass it up. Next are 4 items I got for $10. So, first of all is a wooden railway Toby. Yep, I mostly bought this for a custom. For some project I'm working on. Yeah, I already do have a Toby, which is more of the new style Toby. So, yeah, just put him there next to the Thomas. Next is, you knew what I was going to get, a Collie. Well, the take and play version. Yeah, he's very scratched up, like most of his paint's missing on one side, on the other side, and he's missing his buffer details. That could just be fixed with a normal Sharpie. He's also missing his cab roof. Oh. Yep. Next is an Ertl D261. I did have an Ertl D261 for it, but I actually ended up turning it into, I don't think who it is, Old Stuck Up, since they're both based on the same diesel class, the class 40. So, I might touch up the little yellow around him with a yellow paint pen. Just touch up the yellow around him. So, next is a troublesome truck, which I only bought for the face. So, yep. Along with the wooden railway Toby, take and play Collie, and the D261, or the Diesel or Bowler, they all cost $10. Well, it was 4 for $10, so yep. Probably the chassis from this truck, since I'm going to take the face off, I'll probably just keep it as a spare part, or probably just use it for a later custom. So, yep. Next is a take-along Collie. Yep. The guy I got from where I was selling a few other things. Well, a couple other Thomas items. This was actually about $5. Oh. Yep. So I think of the take and play Collie there, I have like 2 of them at home. The Collie here, I think I have like 3. No, I'm not there. About 5 or 6 of, I believe. So just put them over there with there. And the last find, which are some pipes, which there are some loose pipes, which hopefully I'm going to use on my HO scale layout. Well, just to put on the flat cars. So, yeah, these 2 here, the loose pipes were about $1 each. Probably should have got more, but maybe next time if I see that person at the train show, I'll probably get a couple more. Like maybe like 3 more. Well, 3 more load. And next is this pipe load, like it's all fixed together. Yeah, and as you can tell on the top part, it cost those two cost $1 each. This one, which was an all fixed load, it's just look like a real load. Well, that would be seen on a flat car. It cost me about $5, which personally, for a cargo load, that seems a little steep to me. But well, oh, yep. That's what I got from the Trent show. So this is Swangagen signing off.